Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make Crosshair X use less CPU. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up Steam or Epic Games. So for this example, I'm just going to be using Steam. Now go ahead and find Crosshair X and make sure that it is not running. Okay. Wait for it. And then once done, go ahead and find the application. Right click on it. Now click on Properties. And here under General, we have here Select Launch Option. So just click on this drop down. Now make sure that you select Ask when starting game or application. Now close this one. Click on Launch. Now go ahead and select Launch in Safe Mode, which got hardware acceleration disabled. So click on Play. Wait for it to open. Now once it's opened right here, what you do next is just go ahead and go to the bottom left. Click on Option. Now we have here hardware acceleration. Make sure that this one is disabled. Also, you might want to disable interface sound and controller support if you don't have a controller. Okay, now it says here restart the app. So click on restart, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, there's another option right here I'm going to show you. So by default, we are using under display modes, the simple overlay mode. If you want to lessen the stress for your CPU, you can go ahead and use game bar mode right here. Okay. As you can see here, I'm going to press Windows plus G, and here we have the game bar extension or Crosshair X game bar extension. Now, if you don't know how to set this up, we have a separate video for this. You can just go ahead and check it out on the channel. You can go ahead and try the Crosshair X extension for game bar and check if it lessens the stress for your CPU. Okay, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.